Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's video is a Sarojini Nagar haul. I am so excited about this haul because I get so happy every time I go to Sarojini Nagar. So I went to Sarojini a couple of days back and I thought I should share with you whatever I have shopped. So I shopped quite a few things. So I'll just show you each one of them. So let's get into the haul. So the first thing is this plaid off-shoulder top. Now the market is literally filled with such off-shoulder tops. You can get a million amount of shades, colors and different prints and designs in such off-shoulder tops. So it's a really nice off-shoulder top and it fits really well. It's very comfortable. Plus, I like the material. It's really soft. The next thing is this pair of jeans. Now, I got this for such a cheap price that I knew that I have to pick it. So it has this nada sort of a thing here, which I think I'll take it off when I'm wearing. And sorry, yeah. So it has this thin. It goes thin from the bottom, and it's more like a boyfriend jeans from the from the top. It is really comfortable and I love the wash. Again, the material is very soft. It's perfect for the summertime and it's very smart. So even if I wear it for 2-3 times, I'm pretty much sorted because I just got this for 100 rupees. Imagine, it's that cheap. Now the next thing that I have is this shirt. It's like a shirt dress. I really like the print of this, but the lace work that's there on the center makes it really casual. Plus it has those really long slits on these sides, so I can really pull this off very smartly with a pair of jeans where my the waist will be visible. So it's a really different shirt and yeah, it's very soft, again perfect for summertime. I'm pretty excited to wear this. The last piece of clothing that I have is this mustard colored top. It has this really nice print on the front and the back, and it's like a jacket style top which has a string and a hook to tie on. So this can be really nicely worn on top of a nice long skirt or a midi skirt or a distressed jeans. Maybe it'll look really boho and it'll look really smart. Plus it has the H&M tag. So yeah. Then I got 2 pieces of jewelry, accessories, and I'm very excited to wear them. The first thing is this silver colored choker. It's like this tribal piece of jewelry. I think it's really smart and it can be worn both with Indian or Western outfit and it'll look really boho and classic. So yeah, so pretty excited to wear this. It's a very beautiful piece. The next piece of accessory is this gold multi-layered neck piece. Now with every layer it has a piece of star as a pendant. So I think I deserved such a trending piece of accessory. These kind of multi-layered jewelry is very much in trend and I thought I should definitely get my hands on it. It was again very affordable, very cheap, so I thought I should get it. So there was a silver color in the same piece, but I thought since I'm getting the choker in silver color, so I got this in golden color. Then the last thing that I have is this mobile cover for my new iPhone 7. Now it's a really nice silicone made cover and it has these tiny little ears and these mooch and a pink nose, so it's in the form of a cat and I think it's really cute. So I just got this for my new phone and I think my phone is going to look really cute after I put this as a cover. So that's it for my Sarojini Nagar haul. I really hope you like this video. Make sure to comment below about your favorite items from the haul and I will see you in the next video. Bye!